Hi all, today I'm going to provide a session on asset accounting. Asset accounting is a bit complex module. Let us understand the fundamentals of asset accounting. Then you can go for deeper configurations or complex configurations. Please note, this session is meant for the beginners. First and the foremost, what you have to do is, you have to copy the reference chart of depreciation to depreciation area. So depreciation chart of depreciation is country specific. First, I'll copy the reference chart of depreciation. So 1 IN is the standard one. I'll copy this to 2105. This is our chart of depreciation. Now go back. Specify the depreciation of chart of depreciation. So this is nothing to do here. Copy and delete depreciation area. This is very important. Now you can retain 1, 15 and 20. Others you can able to delete. Then you can click on save. Just press enter. Now please note, only 3 depreciation area is enough for us for a beginners. Now the next is assignment of chart of depreciation to company code. Click on this. So my company code is 2104. See, I have already assigned another chart of depreciation. Okay, this way you can also assign the chart and click on save. Next we will see what we need to do. This is FTXP V0 A0 you have to create. Then you have to go to the T code OBCL. See, I have already assigned A0 V0. So this and all I am going to take separate session on VAT creation. There you are going to learn everything. You have to assign A0 V0 and you can click on save. It will save. So assign chart of depreciation to company code I have already told you. So specify the account determination. Click on back button. Then go to set accounting. Then go to organization structure. Then go to asset class. Then specify the account determination. This is your first task need to do. So what I'll do, I'll create as building. So 2104 EU can type as building 2104. This is not a mandatory 2104. So in the initial stage, in order to recognize your thing, just a minute. Again, I'll log in. /NASPRO reference IMG. Then I'll go to financial accounting view, set accounting, organization structure, asset class, then specify the account determination. Say you have a different assets. Say you have a vehicle, you have building, you have plant and machinery. So you have to create an account determination for the each classification. So it is not so simple. In real time, the solution architect will be there. They are going to decide what are the asset determination needs to be there. Accordingly, we have to do the configuration. So 2104 BU. So I'll give as building. In real time, this is not required, but in order to understand which this belongs to our company code, that's why I'm giving you. Click on S. Now account determination is over. Now next step is create a screen layout. So we will keep a vehicle as a screen layout only. What I'll do, so vehicle and building, I just modified. So this screen layout is applicable both for vehicle and building. Next, define number range intervals. So I have already defined number range intervals. AS08. So if you are configuring, you have to enter the number range for your assets. So here there is no need, I have already maintained. Then define asset class. So Click on back button. To asset accounting. It's taking little time. Okay. To next asset class. Define asset class. I'll copy from the existing one. So I'll copy this. VU. So our number ranges, all the parameters will copy from the previous one. Then click on save. Next we'll see what we need to do. Determine depreciation areas in asset class OAYZ. Enter your depreciation area. Now select this 2104 building. Then click on depreciation area. So everything is copied. Please maintain the same parameter when you are configuring. There is nothing to configure from my side because I have copied from the previous one. Now this is very important. OBA 7. Okay, please go to OBA 7. So the document type is AIF. Click on the details and make sure this number range should be 04. Okay, click on number range information. So 2104. For the particular year 04 needs to be maintained. So my financial year is 2022 and 23. So I have maintained the number range. Without this, your depreciation will not run. Next, define screen layout for asset master data. Set accounting, master data, screen layout, master data, screen layout, screen layout, define screen layout for asset master data. So here we are going to use any screen layout you can use, or you can copy from the this one also, existing one also, it's possible. Now what I'll do, I'll select this one, 2000, field groups, and click on general data. Just a minute. And select on field group rules. Say description is a required entry, you can make it as optional entry. Okay. It's not required. There are so many field status is coming. What we will do is we will go back and select this furniture and fixture. Let us see what all the location. This is also we don't want. I'll go back. This we will see vehicle and building. Okay, groups. Select this. So description is a required. Okay, that is okay, fine. Then go back. Then time dependent data. Then please see here cost center, plant, business area. All those things we are not configuring in the first round. In the second round and third round, I'll be telling you how you need to configure. So this and all, if you say cost center is a required entry, when you are creating asset master data, the cost center you have to give. Without that, it will not do anything. So this is a rounding of the net book value. The T code is OAY0. Sorry, it is OAYO. Now please select your company code. See, now select book depreciation arithmetic round of this you have to do. In your case, I have already configured, so nothing to save here. Just I'm showing it to you. Then define multi-level methods, AF, AMS. See, this is I already defined. This is a straight line method. Okay, so you can also follow the same way. I'll show you how you have to do. So you have to enter the level and straight line method from ordinary depreciation date you have to give, and you have to click on save. And this one also same way you have to do. See, there straight line method and written down value method, two methods I am showing. Same way you can also do. Now this is a period control, AF, AMP. So the default one only you can select, 001 will be there. So maintain depreciation key, AF, AME. Yeah, I have already defined 21 SL straight line. Please click here. You have to maintain the similarly, and don't forget to activate. After you creating, you have to activate here. So if you don't activate, your depreciation will not run. So please make sure you have to activate this by clicking on this after you are creating this. Now let us create the asset master. AS01. Now we will create the asset class, the company code 2104, press enter. Now you can give building at MG Road. So this capitalized on 14. You can directly click on depreciation area. So you can give depreciation key. The useful life you can give as 99. Period control you can give as 001. Then this will start from 0104. Again costing you can give the same thing. Press enter. Please bear with me, my system is taking a little more time than I expected. Yes. Now we will see what is the next step. This is very important. You have to create all these general ledgers in FS00. If you want to note down, you can note down. I'll wait for 2 minutes. These are the general ledgers you have to create in FS00. Please see, first you have to create the fixed asset account, whether it's vehicle account or a building account. If I started creating all the general ledgers, the video length will be it will increase. That is the reason I'm not creating. So you have to create accumulated depreciation account, and you have to provide all these parameters. Say accumulated depreciation you have to create, and you have to reconciliation type is asset. Please make sure you have to enter the data properly. See, reconciliation account is asset. So that's what I had given here. Reconciliation type is asset. If you want, you can note down all these general ledgers. These are the general ledgers is very important. Now next is integration between asset accounting and FI. This happens in AO90. Yeah, you select your chart of depreciation, then select your account determination. The account determination here is you have to go down. Zero 04. This you have to select, then select the balance sheet account. Then here you have to give a link, your vehicle account. So this is an asset account, this is a vehicle account. This is what we have created here. Then this is loss on sale of asset. Then this is clearing revenue account. This is profit on sale account. This is loss on sale of asset account. This is exactly I have mentioned. Then after that you have to go to depreciation area. In select book depreciation area, you have to select here the accumulated depreciation account and the depreciation account. This is very important. So here accumulated depreciation and depreciation account is very important. Now the configuration part is over. Let us do one end user part. So I'll come to -90. I'll give the date. So let us see, we have purchased on 1st April. Okay, leave this. Say 15 lakh, then 70. Then you have to give the asset number. Then transaction type, external transaction procured from outside. Give star. Then go to document, simulate. So click on save. Let's wait. Please note, I'll be uploading sessions on production support, what sort of tickets you are going to get, how to solve the tickets, and what all the observation you have to do, how you need to send a mail to the business or end users. Everything I'm going to take the sessions. Now let us go to Asset Explorer. So those sessions will be very interesting and very useful also. It will be easy for you to work in corporate world. See, you can see, able to see. So 15 lakhs I have posted now. Earlier I have posted 1 lakh. Now let us learn how to run the depreciation on this. The T code is AFAB. Select the period. So one first period I already selected. So I'll be running second period. Please make sure you have to click on the test run. Click on S. Yeah, you can see here, test run completed successfully. It is showing in the green color. That means to say your configuration is correct. There is no issues in your configuration. Then remove the test run. Then go to program, execute in background. So click on immediate. So RAPOST 2000 has been scheduled. So you can go and see here, system, services, jobs, jobs overview. Click on execute. See, the job has been finished. You can see here. So you can go to spool. Now it will take time to finish the job. This is how you can able to configure the asset accounting and run the depreciation. Thank you for viewing and listening to my demo.